Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to install mariadb on Linux Mint. We're going to be using mariadb for IncoPOS. I have it here installed. I can press right click and then add to desktop, and it will show me a icon here, and I can start it more easily. I have a database here, but it's a SQLite database. If I press on show setting, you'll see it's SQLite. If I want to install or store my data in MySQL server, I can try it, but the connection will not be successful because by default on Linux Mint we don't have that database installed. But luckily that's super easy to do. But we need to work with the terminal. That's the easiest way to do. This thing can do it too, but I'll show you how to do it from the terminal. We just have to type a command: sudo apt install mariadb-server. Enter our password. Tells us he has to download some packages, downloads it and installs it, and that's pretty much it. mariadb is installed, but we need to configure it. By default it has some presets that are not super okay, so there's one more command that we have to run to configure it. It's sudo mysql secure installation. Now when you run this, it will ask you a few questions and it will let you configure how the mariadb instance will be behaving. You have to enter the current password for mariadb, which is by default is empty, so I just press enter. Switch to Unix socket authentication, I'll press no. We'll be using passwords. Change the root password, yes. If you press, then enter the new password. I'll enter IncoPOS 2 times. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow root login remotely. You may want to do that by default, but if you're planning to connect to that database from another computer on the network directly, then you should answer no. But by default, in most cases, people just use one computer for all their work. So in this case, you answer yes, and I'll do that now. Remove test database and access to it. Yes, we don't need that. Reload privileged tables now. Yes, so all of this can take into effect immediately. And now if I come back, I press test. See, there's no databases here, but no warning message too. So I can just create a new database, call it again, let's say store. I'll just use a blank one, sample one, create, and now this database behaves a bit faster, a few times faster if you ask me. And we're in. We have our items, users, partners, everything inside. This is from the sample data that we created, and you can of course create your own database or download it from IncoCloud, and you're ready to go. That was all that I wanted to show you for mariadb on Linux. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Like the video, press the bell button, and see you in the next one.